My video tutorial will provide you with detailed instructions that will help you to remove the new adware from the adload family of adware type infections, and this adware is called UpperTheory. UpperTheory adware, once installed, starts to show the huge portion of pretty intrusive advertisements while you surf the internet. UpperTheory adware, in addition to advertisements, may also redirect the browser to many shady and pretty dangerous resources in the internet. So if it was somehow installed to your computer, it is time to get rid of this adware. So right click on it and move it to the trash. Also, I recommend that you additionally research this system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. The best place where you can get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Use the green download Combo Cleaner button, install the software, and this is the way it looks like. So start researching this system with its help. After you start Combo Cleaner antivirus for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time. Wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to Premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, Premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider Premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.